Hello, we are feeling like we're in the mood for cookies. We should be cleaning, but cookies sound better. I'm gonna make some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies with some nuts in them. They are delicious and might help me get more of that done. Fred's been doing all of it so far. I probably should help at some point. Join me, shall you? Until it's thoroughly combined. See a little bit of butter on the bottom. I'm going to add the rest of the flour. Break down and get a cookie scoop, and I know these don't spread that much, but they are oatmeal, so I am going to kind of push them down a little bit like that, and then we're going to put them in the oven preheated at 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. What are your favorite add-ins to oatmeal cookies? I know some people like raisins, or you can add cinnamon to them. What is it that you like to add to your oatmeal cookies? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.
Can I eat it now? Oh.
Yeah, I don't think so. Like the crunch.
Kind of strange for someone who doesn't like when people make noise eating.
Well, some people have unreasonable expectations. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, Jesus loves you.
And gooey. Should have that looked at.
Oh, whoa. Can't take him anywhere.